Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. Sin s squared plus cosine s squared equals to number 1. So we put cosine s squared go to the right. So we have sin s squared equals to 1 minus cosine s squared. Now we need to change this one into this one. Next, we have the second formula in here. Tan s equals to sin s over cosine s. So I will put this one go in here. Sin s, we can do about factorization. Next, we need to simplify sin s on numerator and denominator. Next, I will put number 0 go here and here. So we calculate about this one and you got 0. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.